inyong lahat. And welcome to our vlog. Today, we're diving into something very special. Words. And not just any words, but uncommon Filipino words that we don't usually hear in our daily conversations.
These words may sound old, poetic, or even mysterious, but each one carries a beautiful meaning that shows how rich our language is.
Kaya wag na nating patagalin. Let's explore the Filipino words that deserve to be remembered and used again.
Our first word is batala. It means fate or destiny. Interestingly, it comes from our pre-colonial belief in Bathala, the supreme god. So when Filipinos say bahala na si Batala, they're actually entrusting their life to a higher power. Example, habang naghihintay ng resulta, nasabi niya bahala na si Batala. It shows surrender and trust in destiny. Our next word is suyuan. These words refers to acts of courtship. Noon, walang chat or heart react to stories. Courtship was filled with effort and respect. Serenades at night, visiting the family and gaining their approval. Example, ang suyuan nila ay nagsimula sa harana at nauwi sa pag-iisang dibdib. Isn't that romantic?
Our third word is dungo, meaning the tip of the nose or snout. It's so specific that it paints a very clear picture. Example, natusok ang dungo ng aso sa matalim na tinik. Short, precise, and expressive. A reminder that Filipino words can describe even the smallest detail. Word number 4 is chandili, which means tender care and protective nurture. It's not just about looking after someone but doing it with love and dedication. Example, buong pusong kinandili ng guro ang kanyang mga estudyante, hindi lang sa pag-aaral kundi pati sa buhay. It shows compassion that goes beyond responsibility.
Our fifth word is tapantaha. This means an assumption or supposition. Minsan, iniisip natin na tama tayo, pero sa pantaha lang pala. Example, akala ko siya ang may kasalanan, pero sa pantaha ko lang pala. It reminds us not to judge too quickly. Our sixth word is hibik, a heartfelt cry or plea, often out of deep sadness. The word itself sounds emotional. Example, narinig ang hibik ng mga bata na mawalan sila ng tahanan. It's powerful, poetic, and heavy with feeling.
Our seventh word is dagi. It means bump or collision. Simple, yes, but very useful and expressive. For example, nadagi siya ng batang nagmamadaling tumakbo sa pasulyo. A simple word that captures the whole moment of impact. Our word number 8 is panginurin, the horizon. That magical line where the sky touches the sea or land. It's a word that makes you pause and imagine. Example, pinagmamasdan niya ang panginurin habang unti-unting lumulubog ang araw. It sounds like the start of a poem, doesn't it?
Ninth is silahis. It means a ray of sunlight or sunbeam. It carries so much positivity and hope. Example, pagkatapos ng bagyo, nagbigay ng pag-asa ang silahis ng araw. Just one word can instantly lift the mood. And finally, laya, freedom or liberty. It's a simple but powerful word that one that carries our nation's history of struggle and hope. For example, hangad ng bawat Pilipino ang ganap na laya, a reminder that freedom is always worth fighting for.
And that's our list of our 10 Filipino uncommon words.
Each word is like a treasure, showing us the depth and artistry of our language.
Kaya gamitin natin sila para maging buhay ang ating mga salita at kultura.
Maraming salamat sa panonood mga kaibigan.
Hanggang sa muli!
Paalam!